Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to set up Iptv Smarters Pro on a Firestick. Before the video starts, if you need a free trial for Iptv Smarters Pro, please contact us via the WhatsApp number in the description below or visit our website at Iptv Store. Let's get started. First, open Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Fire Stick and go to the Settings menu. Next, select My Fire TV. Scroll down and select the My Fire TV option. Now go to About. In the My Fire TV menu, choose the About option. Press the round button on your remote multiple times until you unlock Developer Options. Once you see the Developer Options menu, open Developer Options and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Then, open the Downloader app. If you don't have it, download it from the Amazon App Store. In the Downloader app, enter code 78522 to download and install Iptv Smarters Pro. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once installed, open it. In the app, load your playlist. Enter a playlist name of your choice. Specify the playlist URL. Enter the URL link to your playlist, usually provided by your Iptv service. Finally, wait for it to load. The app will now load your playlist. This may take a few moments. Once done, you should see your channel and content. And that's it. Now you know how to set up Iptv Smarters Pro on a Fire Stick. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Good luck and see you soon.